Hello to everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover Euro versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the Euro versus US dollar first. This is the hourly time frame, and what we can see here is that after a strong impulsive move, basically market got rejected here, so we got exhaustion in this area, and it resulted with this reversal bar and reversal candle. And since that price action there, market is in that downside mode since that price action, and seems like we're going to revisit this zone around 1.0625. Now the thing here is that we still didn't see what kind of demand we have in the reaction from buyers, but let's say two scenarios around. We have this previous swing high at 1.0638. So this will be a very important area. If market can go below and trade below and hold below with a very weak reaction from buyers, there is a still chance for the lower prices, especially if we can break this rising trend line. And if we can trade below 1.0600 mark. So if we can clear this and trade below, hold below with the weak rallies, then there is a chance for the further downside towards the 1.0550 or even 1.0500 area. Now, scenario for the upside will be if the market can sustain those support areas, the multi from the different perspectives. So we see the bigger reaction up and then the weaker reaction from sellers. And that can be a sign for the upside continuation towards the 1.0695. But that's just alternative scenario since the sellers are now in control. Just the alternative scenario in case of this support zone and the areas here that we spoke about, that area can hold. Speaking of the gold market, we can see that market is kind of breaking this consolidation. We spoke about this consolidation. This is more like a symmetrical triangle. There is this breakout here, but from my perspective, this is not really powerful. Still, there we have a cluster. We have this key pivot area. And I will say only if the market can really clear the, let's say, 1960 mark and hold below, we have a weak reaction from buyers after that breakout potential, then there is a chance for the lower prices, maybe even 9040 mark and so on and so forth. Because in this example, this can also be the fake breakout. Market can return back, maybe take the upside, take the opposite, retest the high at 1995 or so. So I will be very, very careful around this area because this is the key support zone. We also have this mini cluster of the lows right there. So this also might be a fake breakout. But, either upside scenario or downside scenario, we need a confirmation. So for the downside scenario, we need a confirmation, to break down and hold below. And then for the upside scenario, no break of 98 and hold above to retest potentially 90.96. Now we have a crude oil. So this market is still near the key cluster support. We can see that we have the lows here. We have also lows here. So this is a quite important cluster for the crude oil. You can see the market close and this hourly candle close in the middle, and we might see that potential like bull divergence to kick in later on during the day. So in this example, since key support is a test, one of the scenarios, this bull divergence and this momentum decrease, that can result with a further rally and further upside movement, maybe towards 88 mark, maybe even towards 89 mark. From the other side, if we can clear this pin bar low and clear 85.50 and hold below with the weak reaction from buyers, then there is a chance for the test of 84.50 and 84 mark. So this is the situation for the crude oil. And Bitcoin had a phenomenal upside run. So we spoke about this in our previous forecast when the market actually broke this consolidation. We spoke about that there will be a chance for the re-break of the pin bar, and if we can take the pin bar, this will be a strong bull sign. So basically that actually happened. We cleared the pin bar. We then made another consolidation area, and then we did similar to this one, and we did re-break here, and that had a massive upside move this morning up to the 35,300 mark or 35,150 mark. And now, because of this massive move higher, we need some kind of the consolidation or maybe contraction to happen in order for the next directional move. If we go to the daily time frame, we broke this key resistance consolidation that took like many months to develop. So mid-term speaking and short-term speaking, there is a chance for the for the further higher prices, even towards 40,000 mark or 41,000 mark. But because of the nature of this move and the strong climatic action, so we might see more consolidation to build, maybe some kind of mini correction to form before any further bigger upside move. So watch for the potential developing of this consolidation, let's say on that way. And that will be all for this update, guys. I hope that you did enjoy. Have a good trading day and speak to you from tomorrow morning.